Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to jump back in our series with Django. So we're going to we've wrapped up the last one. So the way we used to do it, well, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. The way that we used to do this was I would bounce around and got some feedback from you guys that it's just best to start a series and run it out. So down in the description below, and I'll go ahead and put it, is it right here? No, it's right here. There we go. Put it right there for the playlist. So I have done some Django videos before, and it's just preliminary, so we're not anything much, but there are 6 videos. So I didn't want to start this in case you are just joining us. So go back and check these out, and this is just very, very basic. Goes over setup, a little bit with what the development server does, the actual manage.py, and a couple other. And I think we even got, we got as far as the database, and time zone. Time can, if you haven't worked with time, it can be very interesting, and if you have to go back and forth time zones, you can get stumped a couple times. So just real quick video today. Have had some awesome comments, really good questions, and what is a week ago, 2 weeks ago, took a poll, and you guys wanted to do Django next. So guess what? We're doing Django next, and we'll run this out until a pretty good stopping point, and we'll do like we always do. Do one subject at a time, so you can come back and search it, and we'll add it to this playlist right here. But go ahead and check these out and familiarize yourself, because Django can get pretty tricky pretty quickly. So I don't want you being overwhelmed, overloaded, or behind. That is not the point of this channel. It's to keep you up to date and keep you motivated and keep you learning, and just have one place for you to come back and find all of the subjects for your Python projects or Python problems that you're working on. So please drop any comments, questions, any video requests down below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Oh, don't forget live streams Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so we'll continue on with those as well, and so we'll see you then. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here, and most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.